Hello and happy Friday. Welcome to the end of your week, and your reading lesson for today is going to start with some word study practice, so go ahead and do that. And then the next part is a video that's going to explain step 2 for research to you, which is to be planning. So in the video, she speaks about the big ideas or the categories. And so I want your mind to be starting to think about this for your national park. So today, you're going to pick one from the 4 that you chose the other day. And then let's say you choose this one. Then that's the one you're going to move forward with. So be sure to pick one that you're interested in. And then you're going to be asking yourself some of these questions. Where is your national park located? Some of the national parks are located in one state or multiple states. You can also include in the location category the size if you run across that research. You're going to be thinking about the plants and animals that live in your national park and the habitats. A third category will be the national park's temperature or climate. Now, of course, that's going to change through the season, so you'll want to research that. And then another category is historical information. What type of historical information did you read about? And then finally, I have a 5th category that can include any other fun, unique information about your park. Some have geysers, some have canyons, some have rivers. That's where you can put any information that you learn about that maybe doesn't fit in the other categories. And so for today, you're going to pick the one from your 4 that you narrowed down, and you're going to fill in the Google slide telling me what do you already know about that national park. And that might not be a bunch of information, but surely you know just a little bit, enough to put a few things. And then what is it that you wonder about? What do you want to know? And then next week, get ready to step into the research process and creating your product and all that. But for today, I want you to be thinking about planning, where we're going to be going on our planning steps. So listen to the video and then complete the what do I know and what do I want to know activity. And then have a great weekend, and I can't wait to see you on Monday.